Welcome to your safe space. I am Pallavi Marshall. If you have stiffness around your neck and shoulders and your upper back feels tight and heavy, you could be having something called as tech neck. Now, this could be because we spend so much of time slouched over our devices, the front of the neck, the chest muscles become tight, and the deep stabilizing muscles become weak. Now, random stretches are not going to fix it. And if you have a habit of cracking your neck like so, this might bring temporary relief, but this is not going to help you over a long term. So today's practice includes simple movements, mobility, and breath work to calm the nervous system so the body remembers what a good posture feels like. We're going to start with a simple test. Sit upright with your shoulders relaxed, and we're going to look over the right shoulder, just observing the range. Don't force this. Come back to center and over to the left. We'll repeat this test at the end of the session. So you can sit in your chair or with your legs crossed. Spine comfortably upright. Place one hand at the center of the chest and one hand at your navel center. Close your eyes. Deepen the breaths. Deep breaths in through the nose. As you exhale, allow the face, the shoulders to soften. Get a sense of your posture. Lengthening the spine with every breath in. Relaxing the shoulders with every breath out. Release the hands. Open your eyes with a few blinks. Chin tucks. This movement might look tiny, but this is really effective. We're going to just glide our head forward and backwards. So you bring it forward. We're not looking up, we're not looking down. Just keep looking ahead, forward, and then tuck your chin in, creating this double chin kind of a face. Don't be afraid to look ugly. And you'll start feeling the deep neck muscles. You can do 10 of these. And you can also place the fingers on the chin for reference and also to give gentle resistance. And relax. Take a breath and exhale. Next, we are going to go for neck isometrics. So take your right hand and place it at the side of your head. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. We're going to apply gentle pressure, so your palms want to push into the head and the head resists. Just using maybe 30 to 40% of intensity. We're not looking for anything aggressive. Stay here for 3 to 5 seconds. And though you are holding on to this stretch, we're not holding the breath. Let's change sides. Left hand out to the side. And then applying gentle pressure. Notice, where do you feel this? Maybe in your neck, upper back, shoulder. Again, right side. And left side. You can do more of these spread across the day. Now interlock your fingers. We'll also do it for the back of the neck. So place your hands behind your head and again applying gentle pressure. So the palms are pressing into the head and the head resists. Deep, relaxed breaths. If the intensity gets too much, you can take a break and then try again. I can feel this in my upper back. And release. For the next exercise, you will need a strap. You can use a yoga belt, a resistance band, or a scarf. And then you take it out. Keep your hands wider than the shoulders. And then we're going to take our arms up as we inhale, and as we exhale, bring it down. Up and exhale down. As you keep moving, you might be able to go further with your arms going behind you. We're not trying to use any force. We're not trying to use much force. After 5 of these, we're going to take our arms up and hold this stretch for 3 breaths. If you can take your arms behind you, that's great. Bring your arms at shoulder level. We're going to turn our palms to face the ceiling, lightly gripping your prop, and start stretching the hands away from each other. So whether you're using a scarf or a resistance band, you'll feel this around the chest, your arms. Breathe. Same 3 breaths here as well. And release, relax. If any of these exercises are causing sharp pain, it means you're going too deep or you're using too much of force. I just love this stretch. It's very simple. You're going to look over to the side at a 45-degree angle and then gently start tilting your head down so your chin tucks close to your collarbone. Breathe. Let's wrap the opposite arm. So if your chin is towards the right shoulder, you're going to wrap the left arm behind you. Breathe, just observing how this feels. If you want to notch up the intensity, if you want to add a little more, you're just going to take your hand and place it behind your head, applying gentle pressure. Deepen as you exhale. Release, look up, bring your head back to center. Take a breath and let's try on the other side. Tilting the head to 45 degrees and bringing the chin down. This side might feel different. Wrapping the arm behind you. For some of you, this might be enough. Notice the stretch at the back of your neck, upper back. Use your hand if needed. And release. This is my favorite stretch. It's called wall puppy. You just need a wall. You can practice it even at work. Stand facing the wall with half an arm's distance. Feet are slightly apart and take your hands above you. So if you have very tight shoulders, you can keep your hands wider than the shoulders. I'm just going to keep them shoulder width apart. Option 1, we're just going to start leaning forward, bringing the forehead on the wall and bringing the chest towards the wall as much as possible. Keep the shoulders, chest, everything relaxed. Don't force, don't push. Breathe here. When this becomes comfortable, we'll go deeper. So this time now we start aligning the chest towards the wall. If this is comfortable, chest and chin on the wall. Take relaxed breaths here. Don't force very deep breaths. You're already in a back bend. If this is too much for you, feel free to go slightly closer to the wall. If this is very easy for you, step away from the wall to increase intensity. To come out, gently walk back with your hands and release. So you can start with 5 to 8 breaths and then build over to 10 to 15 breaths in this pose. And let's go for a seated twist. So bring your arms out in front of you at shoulder level. Inhale. As you exhale, very gently start rotating, opening your arms out to the side. You decide your range. If this is feeling comfortable, you can go a little deeper. Maybe you look at the side wall. Maybe you take your arms behind you, look at the wall behind you. Come back to center. Let's try the other side. So we're going to feel this in the thoracic region, primarily your upper and middle part of the spine, around the shoulders, maybe the shoulder blades. So some people might be here and this could be your range. If it's comfortable with the exhalation, you can go a little deeper. We're not twisting with the hips or the legs. We're trying to just move with the upper body. And if there is a lot of tightness around your neck and shoulders, looking at the wall behind you might be too much for you today. So be kind to yourself. With exhalation, we come back and release. Take a breath. And let's end with coherent breathing. You will already feel the body responding. Lightly place your palms on the belly. We're going to inhale to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 6. Start inhaling. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last round. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Open your eyes with a few blinks. Notice how you feel after today's session. And before we leave, we have to try the test one more time. So again, looking over the right shoulder, notice if there is any change in your range. Center, left shoulder. Center, I definitely feel there is a change in the amount of comfort I feel doing these same movements. So I hope it's the same with you. Feel free to come back to this practice regularly. give yourself a challenge. And if you're dealing with neck and shoulder pain and you're on this video and if you've stayed till the end, uh, make sure you save it and come back to it at least for the next 7 days to really notice the difference. Along with this, you can make changes to the way you sit, take breaks whenever you are at work, keep your phone at eye level, elevate the height of your laptop to eye level so you're not rounding the back and slouching. If you enjoy science backed, yoga based practices, subscribe to my channel and I will see you next week. Namaste.